Without manufacturing, things would be bad, our lives would be harder, and so very sad.
No tech, no water, nothing hydraulic, but innovation awaits. Enter Victaulic.
Victaulic was there to do its part, manufacturing couplings right from the start.
Welcome to Victaulic. Here at Victaulic, we serve a variety of industries, including fire protection, mining, oil and gas, potable water, and HVAC. We are a pipe joining solution company. Our products are used around the world in stadiums, schools, and more.
And not only that, there's more to explore. Let's talk to employees to hear even more.
Hi, my name is Kevin Kern.
Hey, my name is Tyler Gilliard.
Hi, my name is Matt Prine.
Hi, my name is Justin Hawk.
Here at Victaulic, we are all about quality because it ensures our products are reliable, durable, and meet the needs of our customers.
I've been here for about 9 months and I've learned so much, but I know that there's so much more to learn.
Manufacturing is a very rewarding career path. I would encourage anybody with interest in it to really explore what they'd like to do, because manufacturing involves so much more than just putting pieces together. It involves dealing collaboratively with teams. It deals with communicating with people. There are all kinds of skills. I was required to have an engineering degree.
I went on, graduated from high school and went to Penn State University for engineering. I interned at Victaulic for 2 years and now I work here full-time as an engineer.
And Tyler was once a Northampton student like you, seeing the cool things manufacturing can do.
Back in 2015, I was in 8th grade at Northampton Middle School. I was actually in this manufacturing team. I was a part of that and it was a really great experience. What's so cool about manufacturing really gave me a lot of insight to, what manufacturing is, and that Victaulic is a really great opportunity to learn and to grow through manufacturing.
Manufacturing is important, yes, this is true, and it really does help with each thing that we do.
Victaulic is actually a combination of the two words victory and hydraulic, and that stems from the original technology for Victaulic's pipe couplings being invented during World War I, and it helped the United States win World War.
Without manufacturing,
the world would be a lot different.
We can't travel around, we can't build hotels or office buildings.
We wouldn't have the quick, easy installation of the products we have today.
We wouldn't be able to get things done.
Well, there you have it. Victaulic is big news. Now,
what adventure would you choose?
That's what's so